Okay, New Year Profit Bot. New tool, new year, new tool. Why you should buy this tool? You can get unlimited free buyer traffic, really, leads, sales and commission with this new software. This is the only software you need to do all of this. And this is really newbie friendly offer. You don't need any experience, you don't need any additional tools, you don't need to pay for anything else. Everything what you need is inside this one tool. This is perfect for beginners. You can set up and start earning in just 24 hours. It's a fresh combination of generating traffic and sales strategies. This commission-generating app is making passive income online for you. You can just set up this and forget, and it's working. Why I'm making this review? Because once in my lifetime I was in the same place you are right now. I used plenty of tools, I tried to fix something, and believe me, it took me a lot of time to understand how this works and what to do, what not to do, what to buy, what not to buy. And this tool, why I decided to make a review on this tool, because I use tools made by this guy and his team. And I'm happy using them. So I believe that this one is also well done and working. All his tools are working, have perfect detailed video tutorials showing you how to set up the tool and how to use the tool and how to expand your business with this tool. And if something breaks or you are stuck, you have any problem, his team has a very good support. You send the ticket to the support, you get answer, you get help, and if something is not working, they do this working. And believe me, it's very important because sometimes even if the tool is the best, you can have some technical problems and you need somebody to help you to solve this problem. And because of all of this, I believe in this product, and I really can recommend this product to the beginners. Or even if you're not beginner, you need a good tool, working tool, just give it a try. Before I show you this New Year Profit Bot, please remember that if you decide to buy this, by my link down on the under this video, in the video description, you will find my affiliate link, and please use this link, because when you use this, I will get my commission and I can make more reviews for you and give you some advice, but also you will get from me 3 extra bonuses. Why just 3? Other sellers give 100 bonuses worth thousands of dollars, according to the description, of course. But you don't need 100 bonuses. What you need is not to get 100 bonuses and spend plenty of time, many hours reading about those bonuses, opening them, trying to fix them, trying to understand how they work, trying to use them. You don't need this. You don't need to waste your time on hundreds of bonuses. Believe me, it's not necessary. What you need is just to concentrate on one working tool and start to profit, start to sell, start to get your commission as soon as possible. Concentrate on this one, set up and start earning. That's what you need, and that's why I give you only 3 bonuses. And I give you my bonuses connected with this tool. One of these bonuses is access to affiliate traffic lab This is cloud-based software that helps create videos to drive traffic, because after you use this tool, you get some experience, and maybe you will decide that you need your own videos to get more traffic, more sales. Well, you can do this. With this tool, you can do this. If you don't want to use it, don't use it. Also, one of my bonuses is that you can buy my brain. You can rent my brain for 15 minutes to help you with any problem connecting with this tool or with your online business. You can ask me questions. I will answer. You will get this in your bonuses when you buy with my affiliate link. This link you will find under this video in the description. So if you decide to buy, and I think you should, because it's really a great tool, just click on the link in the description and you will get access to this perfect tool, and I will get my commission. You will be happy, I will be happy. And you can start new year with income and constant provisions. So let's go further. You know what to do when you decide to buy. Now you can watch the sale page. When you go here, just watch this video. This is really great introduction to the tool. I'm not going to show it right now because I just want to show the other things. And what exactly is New Year Profit Bot? This is the tool where you have everything you need to start your online business and start to earn money. Everything you need for ultra profitable list and hands-free commission inside one cloud-based platform. What you get inside? Profit bots already done for you, and the possibility to build your own later on when you get used to this tool. What you get also, landing pages where you capture your buyers and you can collect emails from them, and you can also build your own email list with this tool. If you wish to use this list later on and expand your business, it's perfectly tool for you, because you are now earning money, but in the side effect you are building your email list for the future. What you also get? You get products from database to give away. You get really nice products which you can give your customers for free to show them that you care about them and to convince them to buy from you. Okay, let's talk a little bit about viral traffic, YouTube videos, and everything what will be on your viral pages. If you wish to scale up your income, you need to buy upgrade. This is one of the upgrades called unlimited version, and this upgrade gives you access to creating unlimited profit bots, unlimited storage on the server, unlimited buyer traffic, and premium templates you can use. And this is inside view for one of elements of all of this. As you can see, it's very clear. It's here introduction and step by step what you should do. When you watch step by step videos, you cannot be lost with it, really, believe me. I was watching them, I was doing step by step, and everything was very clear. You have access to all necessary tools. You don't need to go anywhere else, buy anything. Everything what you need to do this business is here, inside this tool. So if you go to this part, you can see that this is connected with the tutorial, where you have chapters, so you cannot be lost. You start with overview and then you go step by step, and each of these videos show you how to do step by step, how to connect everything, how to set up everything, how to put your affiliate links, and everything is clear. This video is also very clear. If I enlarge this, you can see that the quality is quite good. You can see what is on the screen, what we are talking about. So it's very easy and simple, step by step, what to do and how to scale your business. What you really get with this tool, you get step-by-step tutorial how to set up this process. The only thing you have to do is decide what niche, what keywords, what subject this website should be all about, and connect your affiliate link to the right product. Of course, product which is connected to the subject. Don't try to sell something which is not connected with the subject of the page. When you build those pages almost on autopilot, those pages will be filled with YouTube video content. You can select videos by channel, by playlist, or even by keywords. Your page will be always filled in by new, fresh content. You can forget about worrying about what to write on the website, where this content is coming, how to do this. Everything is done on autopilot. Pages would look like. This is the basic view of the page. You can see here is your banner, advertising banner. Those are just places where you can put additional banners. I'm not talking right now about your YouTube video banners, but when somebody clicks on one of your YouTube videos on the page, this is the screen the person will see. This person is watching video, and after a few seconds of watching what's going on, you've seen just a second before. I move back a little bit this and stop. This is the advertising you prepare and you show on front of your YouTube video. This person who is watching will see your ad. And of course, this is an invitation to click on the ad and go to look at the product and buy the product. And after this, you will get your commission. This is the upgrade view, but your basic tools look similar. It's very simple. You have maniple on the left side. Everything is sorted. You can see what is first, what is text, what you have to do. Everywhere you have video, short video tutorials. So you will not get lost, and you will see exactly what you have to do, where you have to put your affiliate link, where you have to do this, where you have to put this. If you have any questions, you can also search this on the support page. There are plenty of question and answers on this support page, and if you're really stuck, you can send a ticket to your support team and you will get answer and they will help you. If you are really lazy and you don't want to do anything, really anything, even if it's not so much work, you can buy upgrade done for you, and the team will make all the setup and all necessary work that you can just start earn your money. So if you are afraid that you cannot set up this properly, I don't know, it's very easy, but and you have a tutorial with each of the steps, step by step on video, so you can see what to do where. But if you are afraid that you cannot do this yourself, and you are so lazy that you don't want to spend this few minutes to set up this tool, you can buy upgrade done for you, and The team will do all the work for you, and you don't have to really touch a button inside of this tool. And you will have the working tool earning you money, bringing you commission from affiliate links, and you just have to watch your account growing. That's it, very simple. Okay, so few words about upgrades you should buy. I think you should buy, because of course you can be satisfied with the basic version of this tool if you only want to use 10 done for you campaigns, and that's great for the start. But believe me, when you start earning money, it starts to be your hobby, and you get more and more. So if you want to get more, you should upgrade this tool to unlimited version. This unlimited version gives you access to scale up the system, and I'm sure you would like to do this. Buy upgrade unlimited version and create unlimited profit bots, unlimited storage for your server. You will get unlimited storage on the server for your bots. You will get unlimited buyer traffics, and also you will get some premium templates. If you decide to upgrade, choose this unlimited version, because it's really something what you get you access to larger scale of this business, and you can get much more money with this. The other upgrades you can have is unlimited traffic upgrade. This one I also recommend, because this gives you additional advantage. This will allow you to capture any person that hits on your page, whether they opt in or not opt in, whether they click on your banner or not. They will be captured because they visited your page. So this is really additional traffic advantage, and you should use this to scale up your business and to get more sale and more commission. What are other upgrades? The full list of upgrades you can see in the video description down under this video. And of course, please, if you have any questions, write in the comments. If you like this video, give me a hand up, subscribe to the channel, and also, and most of all, please buy this tool, because it's worth to buy. I really believe it can help you with your business, and you can start earning money online even if you have no experience at all. This is very simple, very easy, well done tool, well done tutorials. Everything is inside of this one tool. You don't need anything else. Just click the affiliate link under this video, buy your copy and get my bonuses, and that's it. You can start earning money. Congratulations!